Jai Hind, my dear student. Today we are going to learn about Excel function and charts. In the previous chapter you learned how to create and format a worksheet. Now in this chapter you will learn how to apply formula and function for carry out calculation in the project. So basically introducing introduction to formula. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that allows you to organize data and do calculations. Constant and formulas are two ways of entering data in Excel. ओके सो कांस्टेंट एंड फार्मूला ये दो तरीके होते हैं जिससे हम एक्सेल में डाटा को एंटर करते हैं. ओके द वैल्यूज विच आर डायरेक्टली एंटर्ड इन द सेल्स आर कॉल्ड constant values. Okay, like numbers, names, data, currency, etc. are the example of constant value. Okay, next a formula is a sequence of values, cell references, names of functions or operators like plus, minus, into, divide. These are the operators. Okay, that produces a new value from existing values. Okay, in other words, formula is used to calculate numerical information and display the resulting value in a cell. You can use formula to perform all kind of calculations in your Excel data. Okay, so basically formula is also called expressions. So in mathematics, when you write a formula, you write down the values and operators followed by an equal sign, like 2 plus 2 equal to 4. But in Excel, formulas begin with an equal sign such as equal 2 plus 2. Okay, Excel immediately recognize any subsequent data as a formula when it begins with an equal to sign. Clear everyone? So what is cell referencing? So every cell in a worksheet has unique address, also called cell reference. Okay, by default cells are identified by a specific column letter and row number. Okay, so cell A5 identifies the fifth cell down in column A. While entering formulas, use cell reference instead of actual data wherever possible. Okay, if you want to enter a formula equal to A1 plus A2 instead of equal to 10 plus 20. Clear everyone? So when you use cell references and you change a number used in a formula, Excel will automatically redo the calculation for you. Okay, so next is cell range. So what is cell range? A group of related cells in a worksheet is called a cell range. Okay, cell range are identified by their anchor points, the upper left corner and the lower right corner of the range. The range reference include both anchor points separated by a colon. Okay, like range name must start with a letter and can include uppercase and lowercase letter. You cannot add spaces in range names, like range name A1 colon B3. Okay, includes A1, A2, A3, B1, B2 and B3 cells. Okay, coming to next, operators. So operators are symbols which are used to indicate a type of calculations. A formula can contain one or more operators. Okay, like the first is arithmetic operators. These basically contains these operators are basically used for arithmetic calculations, mathematical calculation, like percent operator, exponential operator, multiplication operator, division operator, addition operator, subtraction operators. Okay, next is comparison operators. So comparison operator basically contain greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, equal to. Okay, and the fourth one is reference operator. So basically reference operator contains column. Okay, so range operator include a range from two cell reference like C5 colon D5, okay, like A1 colon B10. So it basically specify a range from two cell references. Second is space, okay. So intersection operator includes a range like intersection of two ranges D1 E5, B2 E7, okay. And third is comma. Union operator combines multiple references into one references, like sum. If you want to perform a sum, so B5 colon B15 comma D5 colon D15. Thank you, my dear student.